Alright buddy, welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. So this is gonna be a very short video. I bought these things off of eBay. They're supposed to be the little infinity kick panel ones. Look like it's a Japanese or Chinese seller. So we're gonna install these on the Q60 and they should work on the Q52. So let's go, hit the intro. Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the car, and what I want to tell you guys is this. So my Q60 does have the lighting package. Now the lighting package includes, let me see if I could show you guys. See, so I do have the 4 puddle lights. It does put the LED right here. I do have the LED kick panel, and that light inside is also LED. That's like the map light. But what they choose to do is add this regular condensing light right here that doesn't go with the car at all. So what we're gonna do is we're going to change that out today to the infinity one. So when I open the door, that I can have a little flex. Anyways, let's jump into it. They do give you these little tabs to pop it open and everything, so you won't scratch it up. And you know, let's take a look. All right. Also, with the lighting package, it does give you the illuminated cup holders and also the illuminated kick panels too. These look like they just take the housings and they pretty much try their best to put some kind of mechanism on that, whatever in there. You see how it is designed, a little thing? So I guess that has a little infinity glass or shadow or whatever. Anyways, let's start popping it out. So now it's popped out. Might get a little glare. There's gonna be a little clip here. Just unclip it, and then we're gonna clip in a new one. All right, so this is the old one with the little window, and this is the new one right here. So clip it in. Everything looks the same, and we're gonna see how it looks. All right, so we got it clipped in. Okay, just gonna push it back in. Seems like you gotta have it aiming down. Okay, it's in now, and there we go. Infinity. This is very simple modification. Very simple. So for you guys, I'm gonna put the link below to the seller that I bought these from, because you know, if I bought it from them, you know, hopefully the initial quality looks pretty good. Hopefully it lasts long, but it looks good, and I kind of like it. I think it should have came like this from factory. These little things are pretty cool. And this is the other side. I do like it. I do like it. It does look good. All right, so let me just give you guys my final estimate. Yep, I like that look. That definitely looks good. Definitely like the look. These little subtle things make the car look so much more better. Yep, like it. So guys, if you do like that modification, definitely check the link below. I'll put it below so you guys can actually purchase it. It was relatively cheap. I think it was like $10, and I think it definitely adds a little bit of upgrade. I really did wish when my car did come with the emblem that lights up, but because I have intelligent cruise control, it gets between the signal that comes from the radar and whatever it shoots ahead of you. So unfortunately, I cannot get illuminated symbol right here in the front grille. So that, just so you guys know that, because some of you guys might have intelligent cruise control, you might really want to get it. But otherwise than that, guys, just wanted to make this a short video. If you definitely, you know what to do, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. Outside of that, peace, guys. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.